Hello all, welcome. Let's see how to make this sweet, spicy, tangy and crispy starter, Tai Pai Paneer. In a bowl, take maida and corn flour. Corn flour little bit more than maida. Add salt and mix it. Add water little at a time and mix to a thick slurry. Heat oil and dip the paneer cubes into the batter and drop it one at a time in hot oil. Cook until crisp and keep it aside. Now, let's quickly prepare the sauce. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, red chilies, fry till garlic is golden brown. Keep the flame low and add red chili paste, soya sauce, vinegar, tamarind paste and stock, along with onions, bell pepper sliced, chopped spring onions and salt to taste. Mix everything and fry on a high heat for half a minute. Keep the flame low again. Add tomato sauce, sugar and pepper powder. Add more sauce for more greasy, saucy starter. I would rather prefer less saucy and don't prefer too much sauce on my dish. Adjust the sauce quantity according to your preference. Add fried paneer and start tossing on a high heat until the sauce is coated evenly on all paneer pieces. In this Tai Pai Paneer, tamarind paste is essential. Do not skip it. Serve it hot immediately to retain the crisp texture of the paneer. Check out for more paneer starters in the description below. Thanks for watching.